it's Aaron, and we'll be going through the solution for the Auge. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. The main goal of this puzzle is to take this middle biscuit out of the Auge and put it back in. Disassemble, reassembly. So, this puzzle's kind of interesting. It's got these levers, and they fit nicely against this biscuit. So our disassembly isn't going to be anything terribly special. It's actually really quite quick. And if you're having troubles getting them out, I find just pressing in at the back side will pop them out. Easy enough. This is an aesthetically pleasing puzzle. I quite like the look of it. So all I'm doing is levering these out, and they should come easy. They do a little switcheroo here. You gotta do that one first. And they'll just come out in this sequence. It's nothing really terribly special. And we've freed the biscuit. Now you might be saying, man, that was really easy. That was like brutally easy. Why is this level 7? If you mix this biscuit up, like you rotate all the pieces, actually why not? We'll do it here. Oh, I'm making trouble for myself. These biscuits are actually uniquely shaped, and fitting them to the grooves is a whole can of worms. So that's what we're going to do now. We'll reinsert our biscuit, and now we'll let the trouble begin. So I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to concentrate on the red side of the biscuit first. And our first piece, I believe, we'll kind of just get them. Yeah, I think that's it. This will be our first. So I'm going to rotate this this middle biscuit, trying to keep everything off the way, which is a challenge in itself. And I'm just going to match it up now. Some of these sides match up a lot easier than others. So I'll probably end up getting it on this side, and then I'll move to the next one. And it won't work at all. And I'll have to continue rotating it. So you can see it's kind of a monotonous thing. It's a lot of people I don't think are going to end up doing this. They're going to take the biscuit out, they're going to put it back in, and then it's done. So, did I actually manage to get it? Yeah, I actually got it. There's a couple of red herrings, so I would have actually got that side, and it wouldn't have fit on this one. So there's a little bit to it. So we're halfway home. Flip it over. And our first initial one will be this one. And we'll do the same. If you're having problems rotating this biscuit, just try to don't let it do that. Try to alleviate pressure on this top plate. It seems like if you pinch it, it kind of holds this biscuit down. So we'll do the same thing we were doing before. Just rotating and checking. I'll still be all in honest, I'm not going to say this is the most inventive and crazy puzzle. It does look really cool on the shelf, but... Okay, so we fit one side, so let's see if that actually works. Well, I guess I'm going to just get it in one and make it look really easy. I'm not going to lie, it's not the hardest puzzle in the world, but... You can make it harder for yourself if you'd like. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. If you haven't had enough, join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.